Hello there everyone, Timothy coming from ReplacementRemotes.com. Today I have with me the Anderic RC-649M remote control that is a 100% direct replacement for the Onkyo RC-649M that is no longer available. Now this remote control will program to many other devices and will also work for many other Onkyo receivers as well. Now as you can see, this remote control almost looks identical to the original, giving it all the same functions and features that the original had as well. If you would like to make the order for this, please give us a call at 336-924-8787 or make an order on our secured checkout website at ReplacementRemotes.com by clicking the link below and hitting the green Buy It Now button, and you can have the brand new Anderic RR682M remote control.
ReplacementRemotes.com, ReplacementRemotes.com. If you need a remote control, ReplacementRemotes.com.